There are income limits associated with the scheme currently. Of course, you quote the very lowest one. It depends on the number of children that you have, and certain incomes are excluded from consideration. They're not reckonable: housing assistance payment, working family payments, rent supports, and so on. That having been said, you're now advocating for the very families that you believe should be paying 50% income tax rates. Families earning €700, €800 per week. This government in the last budget gave an individual earning €700 a week an extra €400, a couple an extra €800. So your newfound advocacy for these middle-income families, I don't think, is really going to fool anyone. And anyone who goes back and looks at your last pre-budget submission, you didn't propose a single euro of an increase in the back-to-school education, clothing and footwear allowance. Not a single euro. And I've looked back at the various emergency budgets you've proposed, 3 in the last number of weeks. Not a mention of back-to-school costs, not a mention of back-to-education costs.
Thank you, Minister.
I think you said the package was about €1.3 billion, and then all of a sudden you come up with another package of €160 million to tackle back-to-school costs. So, Deputy, look, that's not going to fool anyone. The government has adopted a coherent strategy. This is an important intervention, and we will do more in September when the budget is brought forward.
Thank you.